I tried making rice in my Instant Pot and I was surprised by how well it turned out. I usually use a Korean rice cooker, but honestly, this turned out so well that I thought I could get by without one. Today, I will show you water ratio to the cook time. Rinse 2 cups of rice a few times, drain well, and add it to the Instant Pot. Now add 2 cups of water. 1:1 ratio of rice to water is a good starting point. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This is optional, but it adds a little shine to the rice and helps keep the grains from sticking together. Close the lid and set the steam release switch to the symbol that keeps the steam in. When I press the rice button, it shows 12 minutes. At first, the display shows auto. Don't worry if 12-minute countdown doesn't start right away. The Instant Pot needs some time to heat up and build the pressure. For me, this took about 10 minutes. Once it reaches pressure, the silver flow valve will rise, and after about 1 minute, the 12-minute countdown will begin. When the cooking is done, don't release the pressure right away. Let it sit for about 10 minutes for a natural pressure release. This also gives the rice some time to rest. After 10 minutes, if the float valve is still up, carefully release the remaining steam. Once the float valve has completely dropped, you can safely open the lid. Look at that! The rice turned out perfectly fluffy. Gently fluff the rice with a rice paddle to separate the grains. If you have an Instant Pot, give this easy way of making rice a try. You can find the Instant Pot I used in the video description. See you in the next video.